What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. If you don't know me, my name is Baked and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. Tonight we're finally going back to a little pop-up car meet. Haven't done one of those in a while, but yeah, it's about 45 minutes away from my house, so this was actually doable because they're usually over an hour. So I thought I would go to this one. It's one of the kind of bigger meet groups, so hopefully we don't have any happenings with the police and we can actually stay there for a while. But yeah, the weather is absolutely beautiful too, and I needed some content because it's gonna rain the rest of the week, so that I would pop out and do a little car meet, you know. So hopefully there's a good turnout, but I don't know. But yeah, we're back on the R6, still going freaking great, going strong. Beautiful machine, love it. That person was doing, god dang, going slow. So many lanes, I love it. Uh-oh, cop reported ahead. Better slow down. 2 more miles. Not bad, baby. Mustang. Definitely heading to the car meet. That thing is rowdy through the tunnel. I love it. That was sick. I love racing people, even though I shouldn't. They're going to the meet. I don't know, they're going a different way. Well, I got this little Camry with underglow. Probably heading to the meet. Uh-oh. Gonna have to be doing a lot of lane splitting on the way back, looks like. like. Hopefully that's not where the meat was supposed to be. But my luck it was. My luck it is. Ugh. I don't know. Maybe it's just something else. Ugh. My friggin' hands hurt. Getting on that throttle so much. Holding on to that thing. Alright, that's enough of this freaking music. Oh? What y'all slowing down for? Oh yeah, we got some cars pulling up. Nice Lexus right there. A little Beamer action. Oi, oi. This the meat. Looks like it. Yeah. This yours right here? That's yours right there?
Yeah.
Was that 600 or 1,000?
600.
Dude, that's sweet. I like it.
It's a gay boy bike.
Nah, bro, that's clean. It's clean. That's cool. Yo, we're about to leave the meet here, trying to do a little walkthrough for you. Some cool stuff pulled up. yeah, a few bikers pulled up. Pretty cool. But I gotta work tomorrow, so you know, can't be staying out too late. Ooh, nice C8, boy. But yeah, a good amount of people showed up. Talked to this biker dude, followed him on Instagram, you already know. Made a new little friend. But yeah, pretty fun little meet. Not that many crazy cars. There was a freaking 2J swapped G35, so that was pretty cool. But other than that, all pretty normal stuff. Now it's a long highway ride back home, baby. Is this freaking 85? What the Sigma? I think so. Yeah. But yeah, fun night. I haven't been to a meet in a while, so it was good fun. But I don't know, I don't think I'm going to be doing any crazy riding on the way back, so thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video, of course. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of my stuff if you like it. Voice crack! But yeah, see y'all next time.